Cyber threats are growing more advanced every day, and in 2026, strong cybersecurity is a must. Ethical hackers help organizations stay protected by finding vulnerabilities before attackers do.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In this video, we'll take a quick look at the best ethical hacking tools for 2026 that professionals use to secure systems and stay ahead of cyber threats. Let's dive in. Ethical hacking tools, best ones for cybersecurity in 2026. Things covered in this video. Times crucial ethical hacking tools and software every IT professional should know. Times the top 10 ethical hacking tools to watch out for in 2026. Times a quick conclusion on how these tools strengthen cybersecurity skills and careers. Crucial ethical hacking tools and software for IT professionals. As technology gets better, cyber threats become more challenging and widespread. To ensure data in a particular security of personal and organizational digital era, ethical hacking tools are important. Professionals in cybersecurity can use these tools to find weak points, model possible attacks, and build strong defenses. New developments in ethical hacking tools have gotten better in their practicality in 2026. Those very same days, ethical hacking techniques are great for stopping breaches and securing adherence to digital security laws, no matter how small or big a corporation is. Top 10 ethical hacking tools to watch out for in 2026. 1. Invicti. Description: Invicti is a powerful web application security scanner that automates the detection of vulnerabilities like SQL injection and XSS. With its unique proof-based scanning technology, it delivers accurate results with minimal configuration. Features: scans up to 1,000 web applications within 24 hours. Detects custom URL rewrite rules and 404 error pages. Integrates seamlessly with SDLC and bug tracking systems via REST API. 2. Fortify Web Inspect. Description: this comprehensive tool offers dynamic analysis for complex web applications, enabling security professionals to identify vulnerabilities by testing the behavior of running applications. Features: centralized program management with vulnerability trending. Risk oversight with simultaneous crawling for varied testing levels. Provides in-depth statistics and relevant information for effective scanning. 3. Cain and Abel. Description: a versatile password recovery tool, Cain and Abel is primarily used for recovering Microsoft Access passwords and sniffing network traffic. Features: supports dictionary, brute force, and cryptanalysis attacks. Uncovers encrypted passwords effectively. Free and open source, making it accessible for all users. 4. NMAP, Network Mapper. Description: NMAP is a command line tool that is well known because of its port scanning capabilities. It can identify hosts and services on a network, extensive network, and produce a map. Features: supports advanced vulnerability detection. Adapts to network conditions during scans. Offers a graphical interface for easier usability. 5.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.